Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphone Sony LinkBuds to the application. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. Now open the charging case and also click pair new device if you have Android. Open the charging case and press and hold the connectional button for at least 5 seconds until you can see that this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. Now we should see it on the list. Click on it. Now hide the settings, open the application. OK. Later. Without. Next. Later. Later. Next. Later. OK. Go to my devices. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!